Hey everyone, it's Speedy's Kettle Corn here with a new camera today. I got the T-Rebel 7. Again, please like and follow me on Facebook, and if you like this video, follow me on YouTube. Today we're going to actually make Jalapeño Cheddar. This is going to be my special for today. Today I already have kettle corn, white cheddar, and caramel corn ready out. When I pop a fresh batch of popcorn, I usually have four to five flavors depending on how busy the market is. This is actually a pretty busy market, even though we're really early in the morning. It's waiting for the later crowd. And then we're going to have some fresh Jalapeño Cheddar. And after I'm done making a fresh batch, I'll have the Jalapeño Cheddar here in this bucket right here to mix. And I'll show you how to mix it and how much. And it'll be ready for to sell right away. Because with the humidity in the air, if you bag it up right away, it'll keep it fresher for longer. And we'll get a batch going right now. And I'll stop talking and get the batch going ready right now for the cheese. And for the cheese, I don't put any sugar in it. So I just put the seeds in. And don't put any sugar at all. I know, and that way, you know, if customers don't want the sugar, they have a savory option. And I usually like to have two savory options. All right, let's get ready to go. Get some testes in. I got a new face mask. With this batch, I do 2 cups all the way full, and that's it. And then when you dump it out, you put it in the tub here, and you mix it up right away. The flavor should stick to the popcorn right away, no problem at all. Popcorn without the sugar in it. The seeds are a little bit more crazier, and they'll come out all out. So that's why I have my face mask on when I do it this time, so that way you don't burn your face. And of course, when I have I put a short sleeve shirt on, so I have pop marks, of course, on my arms afterwards.
Yeah, there they can see it. Okay.
Almost in the box. Hi there, this is Spinny Kettle Corn again. I just got done dumping the fresh popcorn. Here it is done, already popped, and then after I'm done, I throw it right in here into the bucket. This is a jalapeno cheddar, and I do different spices from different companies, from 3 different companies. The best one for me is Gold Medal. The second best for me is Firehouse Pantry. I actually think they're both of the highest quality. And the third one that I use sometimes for some unique flavors is a company called Spice Barn. They're based out in Ohio, and so you can always try to find different spices that you like on the internet. There's all sorts of different flavors you can do. This is actually what a bag looks like for the jalapeno cheddar, and I'll show you the ingredients here. And you can get a good sized pound bag from Firehouse Pantry. And this one here is a jalapeno cheddar already mixed in. As soon as you start pouring it on, your eyes will burn. And this is a really good flavor that is a special that I'm going to be doing today, and we'll see how well we sell today by the end of the day. I already have the white cheddar and the caramel corn out, as well as the kettle. And then we'll start showing you how to mix in bag as well. Is it recording?
Mm-hmm.
Thanks.
That's why you're wearing that? Oh, yeah. So you're all wired around it. Right now. Yeah, well, yeah, my father-in-law actually, and it started going off. Yeah, you don't want to drive it.
Exactly, and you don't want to touch me when I use all
Well, that's true.
You'll get.
There we go. And zoom in to see the bag mixing. There we go. I'll bring it in. All right, so this is just a quick example of what the jalapeno cheddar looks like. You know, some of them will be fully coated, some of them won't be. And I sell a small bag for 6 and a medium bag for 8, or if you buy 2 small bags, I sell 2 small bags for 10. But this is a jalapeno cheddar. It's very popular. For any more recipes, please follow me and like me on Facebook and follow me on YouTube. And thanks for watching.